Hi guys, so today I'm on location. I'm at Fontana Pharmacy Barbican. I want to do something a bit different. So you know how people have monthly faves and stuff like that? I want to show you guys my faves at Fontana for this time period. I want to say April, but really and truly, some of these I found out about in April, and some of these are actually my own brand that I kind of meshed together, that I'm figuring out, oh my god, I love how it looks. So the first thing I want to talk about, which I'm actually wearing today, is the L'Oreal True Match, and my color is in N9. Now if you guys know, if you want to know, I don't know, some never tutu in the True Match. Non-tal. Come around say, I don't know how about it, Papito. I don't know, Papito. I don't know. But no, along with the primer that I'm using, I use the primer. Oh my god. Silly. What's it? The primer. It's right here. This primer. That primer. Mixed with this foundation. Butter. Honey. Butter. And also I found out with the Philips Milk of Magnesia as well. With this foundation. Butter. But with the primer that I'm showing you guys, that one over there, it just makes my face look smooth, airbrush. I don't know. So I'm in love with this all over again, and I'm completely out. I use it for one whole entire week. So that's a L'Oreal True Match in N9. That's my color. The second one I found out about was this Sasha Camouflage Foundation. Now I had no idea that Sasha Cosmetics even had foundations. This did shock me when I see it. I mean, Sasha go there. Where have you been all my life? This shocked me. So I tried it. My color is in Perfect Spice. I love it. A little, really, you know people say a little goes a long way, a little goes a long way. Like for really with this foundation, no joke, a little bit really goes a long way with this bad boy. It is full coverage. Full coverage. Me in love, and it blends well with my my Black Opal 700 Deep Press Powder. Bruh, those two together, butter, honey, butter. So these two foundations, yeah, them litified. So I'm going to move on to my own brand for a couple of seconds. My pomade lashes, which are now available here at Fontana Pharmacy. But this is it. I was decided to just wear my pomade lashes only because they're not in stock, you know, promotion. And I was saying to myself, I really like how my fashionista are full and how they flare out and everything. And these don't really give me the fullness that I want. Like these look extremely natural. The Rockstar is bam, spiky, love it. But when you mesh these two together, when the Popular Kid is on top of the Rockstar, this is what I'm wearing today. It looks so nice. It's full, and it depends on where you angle it as well, where you place the lash between the spaces. Yo, for Carnival, I kept on layering my pomade lashes. I used all pomade lashes for Carnival. I hope you guys follow me on Instagram, Jamaican Makeup Artist. You'd have seen my work there. I layered, and it made the eyes look beautiful, big, and no matter how much lashes I put on the eyes, it still felt like nothing was on it. That's what I love about my lashes. Yes, they're light and the band is thin, but I'm telling you, it is so light and airy and perfect for people who do not like lashes. Perfect for people who are wearing lashes for the very first time. I've even used it on in my at a bridal party the same day of Carnival, and I use it, and of course I laid it and stuff, and they tell me them at Lyric, but when I really feel when they put on the lash, and I'm like, yep, I did. So those two together, definitely. So I have two more things I want to talk about. These LA Pro primers. So you have them in nude, white, and black. Whew, you guys see me, and I've spoken about them already, but I had to give them one more shout out. It is LA Colors, am I right? LA Colors, LA Girl, it's LA Girl. I know LA Girl is known for being a little bit, you know, not so expensive, you know, when I want it cheap, but cheap. And it gets the job done. It's in my kit. Anything that's in my kit is worth you buying it. That's all I'm saying. If it's in my kit, you need to get it yourself. It turn up. I use it to prime the eyes. I use it for the brows. I use it to get the colors brighter. I use it as eyeliner. There's so much different lips. I use it on the lips. So much different uses for these. It is unbelievable. I don't know. It's just so weird that if I hadn't linked up with Fontana, the truth is I'd have never seen any of these products. Ever. That's just, I preach it about them. They're kind of opening up my, even though I'm a makeup artist by trade and by profession and for life, they're really opening up my eyes to other brands that I may not, you know, draw for as soon as I see them. So the last thing I'm talking about is, of course, the Flawless Concealer in Toast. Y'all know how I feel about him, baby. And of course, you guys wondering why I'm gonna have LA colors in there. You know, the LA Pro concealer. Wait like a bit now. I have more video for making, you know. Just give me a little couple seconds. But the flawless concealer, bruh, everything. And the color Toast is perfect for me. I love it for my brows. I love it to highlight. It's just all around turn up. Alright guys, so that was my April faves, and everything that I mentioned can be found here at Fontana Pharmacy. I'm not telling no lies, but apart from being linked to Fontana, them really are a one-stop shop. I talk about everything. One roof, one lick, one go, one-stop shop. Big up on yourself. I'm gonna walk off slow and sexy. Perfect.